Welcome to the public cloud solution to support your manufacturing operations. Let me explain the purpose and the content of this manufacturing package. This package focuses on 4 primary processes. First, the order to cash. Second, the source to pay process. Follow the plan to produce. And last, the record to report end-to-end process. What are the considerations for starting with a public cloud? Public cloud is ideal for starting simple, with new business opportunities, no history, no legacy, clean data, and standard practices. The public cloud can also be used to support your growth initiatives. With our rollout template, you can deploy the public cloud in various locations. A third reason is to optimize your ERP. Leave the core for what it is, and use the public cloud for periphery operations. The periphery operations get their own environment, without the involvement of corporate IT. This situation is handy when you sell this part of the business. The public cloud simplifies the processes, harmonizes the tasks, and standardizes your practices. Let me explain our approach to implementing the public cloud. We are the most experienced partner for S/4HANA's public cloud. This makes our approach a proven approach. We do not install the application and explain features, but we explain how the application supports your business process. We always have your business process in focus when we explain and configure the solution. Our implementation starts with analyses of your industry and business characteristics. Then we start to investigate how to fit the solution to your business. We explain the best practices. Together with your business experts, we conduct fit-to-standard workshops to define the working end-to-end solutions. The package contains a setup of the primary business flows. This setup applies to a single entity, single country, including management dashboards with your 5 KPIs and in-depth reports for deep-dive fact analyses. Let me quote Ferry Bogaerts, the managing director of Shear Netherlands, as I asked him why to select Shear for the implementation.
We bring business, people and SAP public cloud innovations together to support your business. Besides selecting the right public cloud solution, you need to select an experienced partner for success. Why Shear? Let me share 3 reasons to select us. First, the 10 years of experience with SAP public cloud gives us a working cloud mindset. Second, broad industry knowledge to understand your practices. The third reason to select Shear. You get all SAP Public Cloud certified consultants. This includes both the functional and the technical elements. Please contact me for further details about our partner capabilities for your opportunity.
Thanks for watching this presentation. More information about SAP Qualified Package can be found on our website. Go to shear-netherlands.com and select the industry-focused page of manufacturing. You can also call us at +31 347 322 875 and ask for Josiane Benderberg, our sales manager.